In this video, I'll show you how to create your first Meta Ads campaign. First, sign in to your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click the Create button to start a new advertising campaign. Next, choose your campaign objective based on what you want to achieve, such as awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales. After selecting your objective, click Continue. After that, give your campaign a name and configure the campaign settings. If you'd like Meta to automatically distribute your budget across multiple ad sets, enable Advantage plus Campaign Budget. Then set your daily budget or lifetime budget. Now, move to the ad set level and choose your audience, locations, age range, placements, optimization settings, and schedule. Then continue to the ad level where you'll upload your images or videos, write your ad copy, add your headline, and choose your call to action button. Finally, review all of your campaign settings, click Publish, and wait for Meta to review your ad. Once it's approved, your campaign will begin delivering based on your selected schedule. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create your first Meta Ads campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.